This brace might be warped. Hi, welcome back. I think this evening we're gonna pull tape on the passenger side to see, I guess, how long kick panel is. I think Mike said that his measured to be about 17 inches. I was gonna see what mine says. It probably should be about the same. And then we'll measure the kick panel itself. And because I put a level on it and it seems to be pretty level, like this side's not falling down too much. And two, the brace, fender brace in here, or the tub brace, I'm gonna see if I can push the tub towards the pan some, see if that can close that gap in. We'll have to figure out something on that. I had some good suggestions, but we'll take a closer look at that too. But I think mainly tonight, bring the Bronco out, measure that kick panel, and just make sure it's about the same length. People told me that sometimes you have to section them and make it work. Don't really want to do that, but I don't think I have much of an option. And if we get to it, we might cut this inner rocker to make it fit on the braces and get that kind of where it needs to be and kind of cut it out so it fits in there. I'm gonna have to butt weld it right around here. But other than that, I think we'll be doing pretty good if we get that far tonight. I know I always say about we got very long in here this evening, so we'll just kind of measure, get what our baseline is, and see what we need to do with that. There is a chance that I may have to lift this side up, and if I do, I'm gonna forge me I say a hoop, but a U. Won't be a U-bolt, but just a U out of some rebar that I got, and tack that to the cowl up here, and get my cherry picker, which is back over behind me. Right now it's back over there in the corner. Get that and lift it up to where it needs to be, where the inner rocker meets it. But I did mention that I'm going to showcase other people's projects. This one I'm going to mention tonight comes from Matt Jackson. He's doing a Bronco, and he's going about doing the same thing I'm doing, and he's a lot more. I think he's done. But anyways, here's some pictures. I'll post them right here. And if you like to see your Bronco on here, please email me. I love seeing people's projects. It motivates me to get mine, further down the road. But he's moving quite fast on his, so it should be hopefully be done here pretty soon. But good luck on your move, Matt. Hope to hear from you soon. Let's step over here and we'll get to pushing this out and measuring. All right, let me tell you where I'm at right now. When I looked under here, take this off. I took the bushing out, body mount bushing, because it was kind of cockeyed. And now this can move down, but I don't know if it needs to. You can see when I put a level on it, saying that's way too high, needs to be brought down. And this one back here is pretty good. It's actually perfect. So this brace is level. This one's too high. So I'm thinking this brace might be warped, or I don't know, something wrong with it, because it needs to come down quite a bit. And I think bringing it down that much will align that much better, because I measured from under here to the bottom, and it was, I think, roughly about 27 inches on the driver's side. I even measured the driver's side kick panel too, and it was roughly about that. And this is roughly about the same too. And I measured from this point of the wheels are straight from this point to that point, and that's about 5 inches. And it was 5 inches here and 5 inches on the driver's side. And then just rough fitting the post in, I got 38.5 from the inset to inset on top and bottom, which surprised me. But you can kind of see how you can pop it out, and there's a whole bunch. This needs to go in quite a bit. But if you get it in that far, it smashes it against the dash here. And two, you can tell how good it is. I can stick my finger all the way in up here, and it goes down to flush at the bottom. So we'll need to blow this one apart and reconfigure it. And I think this needs to go up just a tad bit more. But it fits fairly well. I just think this is not right. This brace here, I don't know why it wouldn't be right. But I feel like it needs to come down quite a bit, about an inch, maybe half an inch. I'm not sure, but just you kind of see again how this kind of just slowly goes up. See, right there is getting better. As soon as you hit this spot right here, you can kind of see how it's gapped. Just goes way off. Isn't too bad off. Except for right there. Again, it needs to. That needs to go. I don't know anymore. I think this brace might have something to do with it. But if anybody needs a passenger side door, I don't need this one. It's been starting to get rusty, and this is why I didn't use it. That, and I think there's another ding on it somewhere else. So, if you are looking for a newish door, never been put on a vehicle before, let me know. I got one and I can ship it out. But I do think something's wrong with the brace. It has to be. Let's see how there's a gap here. There needs to be a gap on this other side. Gap about like that. So that makes me think this is, I don't know. What if I just need to get a new one? Get one like the driver's side that's 2-piece. And I think next move is take this all apart, take the pans out, try to get that brace level with this brace, and hopefully that will straighten out the inner rocker. You can kind of see how it's not actually parallel. Actually kicks up towards the end. But anyways, I'm gonna take one more measurement from bottom of this to the floor pan on each side and see what that says. The driver's side said about 15.5. This one right here is between 15.25 and 15.5. So could use y'all suggestions on what I should do. Should I try to move the brace down, bend it down, and see if that fixes it? Or do I need to section the kick panel? And do I need to just replace this one altogether? It's gonna be a headache because there's no way I can weld, and it's gonna make the door stick out. Maybe. I figure, well, this should come in at least quite a bit right here. So this may be all right once we take this apart. We'll push this over. And that should be all right, I hope. I have to drill the holes on the back side. I think if we get the front side straight, which it looks fairly good right now. Kind of looks kicked out at the bottom, but anyways. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Just did a lot of measuring and head scratching, but let me know y'all's thoughts on this whole mess. I'm thinking the brace needs to come down, but I don't want to mess it up if that's not the case. I don't know. I do like the look of the pillar being on it and the kick panel being up there. I think the kick panel's right. I really do. That door pillar seems to be in the right-ish spot. But we gotta take it completely apart and try to get on there. I need to figure out a way to hold the door up there to see what it looks like. I was about to let it, and it'd probably fall and dent everything up. But yeah, if anybody interested in a door, I got one there for sale. But like I said, it has a little bit of rust and that curve, and I think there's another little ding. But I got shipped this door like that, and I got shipped one before and it was worse than that. Then they reshipped me another door and I sent that one back. And I wouldn't accept it because of that. So they just said, keep that door, we'll send you another one. And luckily I got two good ones over there, so I don't need that one. Just using it for mock-up on this side. But yeah, I don't know. A lot of thinking to do. I think next time we'll probably still be fiddling with this. I may jump into the engine bay and start taking lines apart, and brake lines, and all that stuff on the firewall. I don't think I'll need it. I'm gonna try to. I won't put an automatic transmission in it and all this other stuff, so I don't need the the knuckles and stuff for the column. So I start taking some of that stuff off until I figure out what to do about this. But anyways, I'm starting a new channel. It's going to be mainly kind of me vlogging ish, doing stuff around the house and the property. Got a lot of cleanup to do. Shot my first video today. It's kind of awkward, like the very first time I shot for this channel. But I'm hoping it'll get better. I'm not used to walking around outside talking to a phone. But hopefully I'll have that up this week sometime, and I'll try to give that a shot. That won't be as I don't say demanding, but it'll just be like maybe a video a week, maybe two if I get enough stuff together, but definitely one video a week. It won't be as consistent as this one is 3 times a week. But the reason I want to start a new channel is because my property's really kind of getting overgrown, and I got trees in my fence line, and I just need to get those taken care of. And since I started this channel, I've really gotten a long ways with the Bronco. So I figure if I start another channel doing that, then I'll be more likely to go out there and do it. But also, my buddy at work is starting a channel. He's going to be doing homesteading type stuff. So it'd be kind of cool. He lives down the road a little bit. So, and he may be coming over to help me. I may actually see if he can come over and give his 2 cents on this whole area here. And if he's watching, I could use your help. But anyways, I'll link his channel when he gets it uploaded. Feel free to check him out. And I'll have my link when I get it uploaded in one of the videos, but I'll let you know. But yeah, it may just me driving to work, thinking out loud type stuff. I don't know if we get very many people, but at least it'll make me come out and work on the property. But anyways, starting to take a little bit of shape, starting to look like something now. But if you made it this far, thank you very much. I appreciate it. If you want to see me struggle through this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribing, it'll ding you every time I do a video. And I post a video every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I don't think I've missed a day since February of this year. That's when I started this channel. So I plan to keep a schedule like that even through the holidays, because we'll be here at the house anyways. But yeah, we'll find something to do. I'm hoping to get that in. And I do have my uncle-in-law coming Thursday to kind of help me tune in the welders and show me how to spot weld. I was going to have him spot weld the pans in, but I don't see that happening now since we got issues with the inner rocker and kick panel and the tub brace to the floor pan. So we'll have to get all that sorted out before we actually start welding. But at least he can show me what to do and help me get my welder set up. thank you for watching. Again, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Please like, comment, subscribe. Really helps the channel out, helps me out. And just see you on the next.